A very good and refreshing evening to all of you in the inauguration ceremony of Indian Plumbing Professionals League 2020 in a virtual format. We are glad to have such a huge participation from the building and plumbing industry from Pan India in the flagship event of IPA, that is IPPL 2020. So IPA is the apex for all of you participants who are not aware much about IPA. I would just like to update you that IPA is the apex body of plumbing professionals in India with 23 chapters across the country and 5,000 plus members from every segment of the building industry, be it consultancy, manufacturing, contracting, trading, academia, and architecture. So we would like to take you through a small IPA journey video to acquaint you about our major milestones since our establishment in the year 1993. Sujit, can we have the video, please?
1993 dawned with IPA. The apex body brought together Indian stalwarts and pioneers of plumbing industry. The far-sighted professionals decided to promote development of plumbing and building services industry to equip it for better plumbing for healthy living. The organization currently has 22 chapters across the country with headquarters in New Delhi. IPA has witnessed an unparalleled growth in the second decade of the 21st century. IPA has emerged as a leading NGO in the plumbing industry focused on better plumbing for better living. Over the years, IPA has successfully spread its message throughout the plumbing and building community and society by IPC, an established iconic event of IPA that connects plumbing experts and building professionals. Interactive, informative and intensive experiences that enrich the plumbing fraternity. Till date, IPA has organized 26 Indian plumbing conferences all across India on crucial themes focusing on the human health and hygiene through better plumbing practices, printing Indian Plumbing Today every month and developing various plumbing publications, celebrating World Plumbing Day on 11th March every year, initiating IPPL skill competition for the betterment of the plumbing installation since 2017, propagating to save water through I Save Water mission since 2019. IPA, being a full member of the World Plumbing Council, hosted the 10th WPC at New Delhi in November 2013 for the first time in India with the theme of environment, health and hygiene. It was attended by delegates from several countries, majorly from China, Australia, UK and US. IPA, in collaboration with IAP-MO, publishes various plumbing codes for different domains to incorporate and implement latest technology. These codes are regularly updated, incorporating latest technologies to match international standards. A Guide to Good Plumbing Practices, an original creation of the Technical Committee of IPA. It is a ready reckoner for students of engineering, architecture, interior design and related field. The first edition of AGGPP was released in September 2015 during 20th IPC at Nasik. In view of the multilingual readership across the country, it has been released and translated in 7 languages. IPPL, a competition for plumbing professionals that brings skills, thrills and rewards. In 3 years in a row, IPPL, Indian Plumbing Professionals League, has become a huge and popular knowledge sharing and skill enhancement program for the plumbing industry with a touch of competitive thrill and great awards. I Save Water mission launched in February 2019 to save 130 crore liters of clean water in a year to be saved through water conservation techniques being propagated through IPA chapters. An effort to conserve water resource for the future generations. Jal hai to kal hai, jal nahi to kal nahi. The most unique initiative of IPA was to design, execute and establish a dynamic working plumbing lab in the College of Engineering, Pune. It's an effective, live working tool for plumbing professionals including students and building fraternity. More than 25,000 professionals have visited the plumbing lab. In order to spread awareness about good plumbing, IPA has joined hands with CREDAI and signed an MOU for implementation of better and safer plumbing for hygienic living. IPA, in association with Messi Frankfurt India, organizes the International Trade Fair for Sanitation, Heating and Air, ISH India, powered by IPA.
Your role comes mainly and more into the conservation and optimal use of the water in a right way and to reaching out to the right people. To make this happen, the plumbing industry has done a fantastic job across the world.
And today, what the Indian Plumbing Association and related bodies have achieved is nothing short of phenomenal. When you think about 2006, there isn't one example that I can think of another plumbing industry organization around the world that we have collaborated with so effectively and to mutual benefit. And
I think it is associations like this that will sort of help people realize the importance of plumbing at a very practical level.
I certainly want to congratulate the IPA on reaching a milestone of the 25th conference. That's a real achievement.
So the International Global Plumbing Council has a very major responsibility in this direction to make sure that as much of clean water is available for people, both for drinking and also after the waste is disposed.
I hope this video gave you a clear picture of IPA and its activities. So IPPL, the flagship event of IPA, has established itself as a unique knowledge sharing and skill enhancing competition and has empowered numerous building industry professionals over the last 3 years, including architects, building engineers, project management consultants, MEP consultants, and different other people connected to the building industry. So we would just like you to take you through to showcase some of the experience of the previous year participants through a testimonials video. So can we have the video of testimonials, please?
I was the winner of IPPL Kolkata chapter 2019. My message to all the youngsters who are or are willing to join the building and the plumbing industry, that do definitely join the association and provide not only a career but also a personality, a final lead.
I would highly recommend all the young professionals of building industry to be part of IPPL 2020. It is a passionately and professionally designed program. The whole package will definitely make you professionally competent and a better version of yourself.
My recommendation for youngster is plumbing is very good career option with less number of competitors. Plumbing is profession in which you need to perform with 100% perfection because even a small mistake may cause huge problem in system.
IPPL knowledge sharing sessions were very useful and highly recommended for youngsters. And my message to the youngsters that there is a very good job opportunity and high potential in this industry to make a successful career.
I like to say to youngsters, plumbing have a vital role in our construction industry. IPPL is the best platform for you learning plumbing technologies, thumb rules, etc.
In order to maintain hygiene of an individual and society, one needs to know about basic plumbing. As we all know, water is depleting day by day. Hence, it's our prime responsibility to conserve it. For this, one needs to know about the good plumbing and advanced fixtures by joining hands with Indian Plumbing Association.
Join IPPL and plumbing from experience and professions and be a part of the building service industry.
I would like to recommend all the youngsters in the plumbing and building industry. You must join IPPL. This is the only platform where you can learn a lot of things. You can gear up your skills with the help of some important course and trainings provided by some experts.
This is a very good platform to learn about plumbing practices. We recommend the youngsters working in the plumbing industry must join the session.
IPPL is the best opportunity for all you guys to grow in this field with the recognition. I urge each and everyone to participate and utilize this opportunity, which brings a lot of confidence and positive changes in your career. IPPL is nothing different than our day-to-day activities. It helps us to enhance our knowledge skills in this field. With this small effort, we all can make India better in plumbing industries. Eagerly looking forward to all you guys in this IPPL.
That was really very informative and inspiring for all of us. And we would like to see all of you guys next year in these videos. So let's now formally begin our event with the national anthem. I would like to request all of you to please rise at your places for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. So as we all gather here for the inauguration ceremony of IPPL 2020, I, on behalf of IPA, would like to take a few moments to acknowledge the effort of everyone that has gone into bringing this day for all of us. So first and foremost, I would like to thank all the IPA NEB members, NEC members, the chapter executive committee members, for all of their vision, active support, and hard work for making this day possible. So now to proceed and to carry forward and kickstart the event, I would like to first call upon our National Secretary, Mr. Chandrasekhar Gupta, for giving us an overview of IPA. Mr. Chandrasekhar Gupta is the Honorable Secretary of Indian Plumbing Association, and he has worked shoulder to shoulder with President Emeritus Mr. S.G. Devlalikar and others for building IPA brick by brick. Mr. Chandrasekhar Gupta is commonly known as CSG, has established the leading bath fittings manufacturing company Gem Sanitary Appliances Private Limited. As an entrepreneur, he introduced many foreign brands in the Indian market for innovative plumbing products. Gem Water Company, the first Indian company to have foreign collaborations to manufacture quality products par excellence with international standards. The first mega showroom in the country for bathroom decor products was also established by him, giving new vision to the trade. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Nivedana. Hello, IPPL 2020 participants. Good evening. Welcome to IPPL 2020 in virtual mode, first time in Indian, enriching your knowledge and skill in the comfortable atmosphere of your own house. Plumbing is the most important of all the building services as it is directly connected to human health, hygiene and environment. Established in 1993, Indian Plumbing Association is working sincerely to get plumbing its due recognition with two mottos: redefining plumbing standards in India and better plumbing for better living. IPA is a pan-India organization with 23 chapters spread across the country with approximate 5,000 plus members in different categories. IPA recently introduced professional membership, which is open to all connected with the plumbing or wants to know about plumbing in the building industry, valid for 3 years. And after that, it can be renewed or converted into a life membership by paying the balance or difference amount. Quite few of you have already enrolled through professional membership scheme, and I request all others to take advantage of this offer and join professional membership by paying the different amount and enjoy the privilege of IPA membership, the only plumbing association in India, which brings to you updated knowledge through course and installation skill par with international standards. Together, we can bring a change in the plumbing, which is a science and technology in the modern world. World Plumbing Day is celebrated across the world on March 11. IPA is also a member of World Plumbing Council, which was chaired in the past by Sudhakar Nair, past President, Indian Plumbing Association. Mr. B.S.A. Narayan, the President Vice President of IPA, is an executive board member of the World Plumbing Council at present. IPA works in a close association with IMO USA on course development in India. IMO is also a supporting organization for IPPL, giving benefits of read-only course for your benefits during the learning sessions. Recently, IPA signed MOU with CREDAI, NAREDCO, IIID, IGBC, and FSAI for exchanging knowledge and supporting each other's endeavor to meet the challenge of building industry in the 21st century. Plumbing industry is an ever-growing sector and you can make a great career. Please take out time and visit IPA website to know more about the activities and action plans. Wishing all of you a great learning with the stalwarts and experts of plumbing in India. I hope you will gain a lot with your vast experience, which will help you in carving your excellent future in plumbing. In the last, I request you to keep penning down your IPPL experiences and other inputs and forward it to IPT editorial board so that it can be shared with others for the benefit of all. It is said that Vidya Dhanam Sarv Dhanam Pradhanam. Vidya Dhan se bada koi dhan nahi hai. So enrich yourself with learning. Good day, best of learning. Thank you, Nivedita.
Thanks for your inspiring words, sir. It's an honor to hear it from you. Now it's time for us to listen from the leader at the pinnacle, our Honorable National President, Mr. Gurmeet Singh Arora. So I would like to request our Honorable President, Mr. Gurmeet Singh Arora, to address this August gathering. Over to you, sir. Just a minute. Sorry. Mr. Gurmeet Singh Arora is the National President of Indian Plumbing Association, having its headquarters in New Delhi. He is the immediate past president of the Indian Plumbing Association Mumbai chapter, having led the chapter for over 15 years.
I think that's enough, Nivedita. Thank you.
Sorry.
I'm part of the IPA family. Thank you. That's enough.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So,
well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me, Nivedita? Am I audible?
Sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you. Let me stop the share, please. Yes.
Okay. I am pleased to launch the Indian Plumbing Professional League 2020 across India. I am overwhelmed at the response and feedback that we have received from the participants. We have participants from 85 cities across India this year. The impact of climate change has proven beyond doubt by various scientific studies and physical observations world over. Tsunamis, forest fires, tornadoes, hurricanes, all natural events of destruction and death have become a common phenomenon. The impact is more in a country like India due to the rapid rate of development with centralized urbanization creating heat island effect. Climate change is real and is happening as we speak. We need integrated global response to tackle this menace. I am sure most of you are aware about India's stand towards climate change and India's commitment to the world at the COP21 conference with well-defined targets towards the Sustainable Development Goals. India has committed to reduce its carbon emission intensity, that is the emission unit of GDP, by 34% from what it was in 2005. And this has to be completed by 2030. We have already lost 15 years, only 10 years are left, and there is a lot to achieve. I would like to read few of the Sustainable Development Goals which are directly connected to our industry. SDG number 3, good health and well-being for the people. This is directly attributed to supply of clean and healthy water and taking away waste in a hygienic manner. Diarrhea kills more people even now than the COVID-19 crisis. We are scared of the COVID-19 crisis, but diarrhea takes away 3,000 lives every day, and it's a waterborne disease. Sustainable Development Goal number 4, quality education. That is what we are here today at the IPPL, and we would like to grow this slowly to 10,000 numbers in the years to come. Sustainable Development Goal number 6, clean water and sanitation. This is part of IPA's aims and objectives. SDG number 8, decent work and economic growth. Plumbing contributes to 12 to 13% of our project cost. Hence, plumbing is an important and integral part of the economy and one of the wheels of the economy, that is the construction industry. The IPPL this year has 1,000 participants from the construction industry. Right now, we are 347. but we have 1,000 enrolled participants. Along with them, there are an additional 277 students participating in the IPPL 2020. In 2019, we had totally 819 participants. We have added over 250 professional members this year through this edition of IPPL. The course materials earlier were being taught in different classrooms by different teachers around the country. And of course, the same topic cannot be taught the same way with different teachers. However, this year, we have converted the IPPL into a virtual format, as you know, and we have been able to reduce the participation fees drastically, that is the registration charges, and are also able to garner the best teachers in the country. Each and every teacher for IPPL 2020 this year is very, very special in the field of plumbing. I am personally indebted to all the chapter chairmen, NEC members, and executive council members for putting their best and tremendous efforts in envisaging that we reach to greater heights this year and expand our coverage over last year. It has been a fantastic journey so far, and I am reminded of a phrase, working together certainly works. A very special mention to Mr. Bhima Rao, Mr. Sushant Sinha, Mrs. Nivedita Sharma, Mrs. Pratibha Bisht, and Deepankar for the special and extra efforts put in to make IPPL 2020 successful. So I am already declaring it successful at its start because I know the efforts that are put into this IPPL, it's going to be a wonderful event. I am also reminded of a quote by Vincent Lombardi, considered to be the greatest football coach from Italy. By the way, on a lighter tone, every name in Italy ends with a vowel. John becomes Gianni, Florence is Firenze, Naples is Napoli, Rome is Roma, Bonomi, Tiemme, everything ends with a vowel. So Vincent Lombardi's quote says, individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, and a civilization work. A committed body of people working with a common objective coming together can create wonders, and that is what you have done, the IPA, NEC, and the IPA Executive Council. You have created wonders. I am sure the thoughts, ideas shared here will pave for greater cooperation and teamwork in future. I can now call the IPA a truly strong family. Thank you very much, all of you. The IPA has been revising its codes in partnership with the International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials USA. They are a 105-year-old organization. We have been revising these codes since 2008 on 3-year cycles under the leadership of our National Vice President, Mr. B.S.A. Narayan, who is the convener of the Technical Committee of IPA. We have revised the Green Plumbers Code Supplement into its new avatar, Water Efficiency and Sanitation Standard, what we call V-Stand in short. Last year, the Uniform Illustrated Plumbing Code of India revised 4 times since 2008 and now republished in 2017. The Swimming Pool Code revised again in 2019 and currently being revised the Solar Energy, Hydraulics and Geothermal Code to be published this year. All these codes are being taught in this IPPL. There are more than 1,700 pages of codes, and we are teaching you everything about these codes in the IPPL. So whoever is participating, you are very lucky to learn from the best teachers and the best current materials which are available worldwide. It is hence very important for all of you to participate in consequent IPPLs to keep abreast of the latest evolving technologies in plumbing. Ladies and gentlemen, as many of you know, water is a depleting commodity and needs to be curtailed at source, thereby reducing consumption, treated and recycled and harvested to increase its supply. We need to move towards net zero on water and waste in all our projects in future. In collaboration with the CII IGBC, the net zero water rating will be launched this year on 29th October at the IGBC Virtual Congress, which is a landmark achievement to build projects which do not need water from the municipal corporation or do not need to discharge their waste into the municipal grid. So we talk of 90 liters per capita per head from the NBC prescribed norm. We don't need that 90 liters also on a net zero building. It is therefore of immense importance, and I personally recommend that each one of you should not miss even one single class, as you will find it truly delightful. I understand that the IPL season is on, not IPPL, but the IPL season is on. However, please give importance to IPPL, which has one extra P. P for performance, P for people, P for plants, P for planet, and P for plumbing and evolving science. You have the option to attend either on a Saturday or a Sunday in any of the weeks. I would like to now especially mention the name of Mr. Salil Kharkanis from our Pune chapter, the man who planted the seed, conceptualized and conceived the IPPL. What a brilliant idea, Salil. Thank you very much. This is now successful in the IPA and IGBC as a format to imbibe learning with fun. I would also like to thank our NEC member, Mr. Dinesh Shah, who has actively helped in the IPPL since its inception, year on year, without even any reward, even traveling to cities to imbibe training, as he has been called. His commitment also extends to the Indian Plumbing Today magazine, wherein he has contributed a lot of articles. I applaud your effort, Dinesh Shah, and commend your contribution to IPA and society at large. Praveen Bora, convener IPPL, and CS Gupta, National Secretary, have toiled day and night to bring you the IPPL this year. Calls every day, 7 o'clock in the night, 10 o'clock in the night, even WhatsApp. We have been exchanging WhatsApp at 4 and 5 in the morning. My God, daily Zoom meetings. I have no words to express my gratitude to these two pillars of IPA's strength. IPA TC and above all, National Vice President BSA Narayan Saab, you have done a wonderful job in checking and vetting all the presentations in such a short period. Your team has done tremendously well. Thank you very much, sir. B.O. Prasanna Kumar, Chairman IPA Bengaluru chapter, did a wonderful job in collating all the question and answers. When you see a 2-hour movie, ladies and gentlemen, you do not realize the 1 year or so and the contribution of the producers, directors, actors, artists, background music, the effects of extras, the singers, the band, and all the set staff that go into making a movie we see in 1.5 or 2 hours. So you can imagine the contribution, ladies and gentlemen, the collective effort and dedicated effort that brings just a qualitative product to you like IPPL. I have a surprise for all the students. There are 277 students participating at present. From next week, quiz, and the winner will be awarded a complimentary professional student membership. So this will happen every week. This week, of course, we are not prepared for that, but from next week onwards, the students can also participate in the quiz. I wish the participants all the very best in the question and answer and quiz sessions. There are lots of prizes to be won at every level. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I declare the IPPL 2020 inaugurated and open. Namaskar, Khuda Hafiz, and thank you. Thank you.
After this invigorating address from the IPA president, it's time for us to learn more about IPPL 2020, on how the sessions and the quiz would be conducted. For this, we have none other than the IPPL convener and IPA Pune chapter chairman, Mr. Praveen Bora, who has led this success story of IPPL for over 3 years and is still counting.
Hello, everybody. Nivedita, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir. I would like to give an introduction to the participants of you. So Mr. Praveen Bora is the convener of Indian Plumbing Professionals League and chairman of IPA Pune chapter, a civil engineer from College of Engineering Pune and an MBA from Pune University. Director of PNP Aqua Limited, business partner for international brands in India. He has led innovation and adoption of latest plumbing technologies in India like siphonic roof drainage, solvent and single stack drainage, silent drainage, PEX plumbing systems, SS drainage systems, prefab channel systems, to name a few. He was the part of the team that conceptualized and developed the IPA's plumbing lab at COEP. So that's for the introduction for our IPPL convener. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Nivedita. Well, it's a very important day for me and for all of IPA. My dear friends of plumbing, my IPA family, welcome you all to this landmark virtual IPPL 2020. These are such challenging times for all of us in our social environment, our work life, our private lives, ravaged by the tsunami of COVID, a once in a century black swan event. As we wash our hands and sanitize ourselves and our home and office environment, this forces us to think about the importance of water and also the fact that plumbing is all about the health and safety and hygiene of human life. At the beginning of any class, we generally introduce ourselves. Being in a virtual world, allow me to introduce you all. We all represent the diversity of India. And from 95 cities of India, Mr. President, you missed 10 cities. Participants from Guwahati in the east to Surat in the west, Chandigarh in north to Trivandrum at the southernmost tip. We have friends from the deserts of Rajasthan and from the beaches of Goa, Mumbai and Chennai, the banks of Ganga and the heart of India from Nagpur. I can go on. This is just to highlight that we have a IPA knowledge network all India. Plumbing engineering is an applied science derived from various concepts of civil and mechanical engineering. This being the case, there are no direct knowledge cradles, books or courses where you can study. Also due to the consistent technological upgradations in the industry, in the architectural design, adoption of new construction technology, adoption of stringent hygiene standards, mechanization, the knowledge is consistently evolving. Indian Plumbing Professionals League evolved from the desire to share this industry knowledge with the professionals coupled to the industry, and also to build an environment that feeds this knowledge periodically to the industry professionals. The global pool of plumbing engineering professionals is connected with Indian Plumbing Association through the World Plumbing Council. This helps us in bringing the best global practices to the Indian market. The best of India's plumbing engineering professionals will be conducting the online knowledge sessions. An understanding of the nuances of plumbing engineering will assist in better architectural coordination and planning of plumbing services. Important informed decision-making during execution of projects, helpful while reorienting the buildings or projects usage. Hence, we have participation from reputed developers, reputed architects, interior designers, engineers, MEP consultants, plumbing consultants, site engineers, students. So it encompasses the entire industry. In fact, one of my gurus and one of the leading developers is also participating. And he always told me, Praveen, learning should never stop. And he is also participating. So I take pride in connecting with all of you. Nivedita, can you now share the slides for all of us to explain more?
Yes, sir. I will just do that.
So friends, I would just like to add a few of the important points that you should consider. Though this mail has been sent to everybody, but we would just like to enumerate you and so that there is clarity to everybody in case you have missed any point. This is the disclaimer. Next slide. Friends, there are total 6 learning sessions. For participants' convenience, they can attend Saturday sessions or they can attend Sunday sessions. Though you have a choice, we recommend you stick to one day and complete the session as it will help you understand the subject fully. The annexure that will give details on the date, time, topic of all sessions has already been shared. In case you have any challenges, please email to ippl2020@indianplumbing.org. Please refrain from taking duplicate copy of the presentation material. It is the copyright property of the presenter and you are requested to respect this. You need to attend at least minimum 5 sessions to get participation certificate. Hello? Sorry, friends. need to attend at least a minimum of 5 learning sessions to get your participation certificate. Digital participation certificate will be shared on the registered email ID. Sorry, I took the call, but I thought somebody was calling me to that something is wrong with the presentation. We'll be sharing the link for read-only copies of Uniform Illustrated Plumbing Code India, Uniform Solar Energy Hydronics Geothermal Code India, Uniform Swimming Pool Code India, and soft copy of a guide to good plumbing practices. Complimentary access to these codes is to be online for training purposes only. The code is not to be printed from the website, nor is digital access to be used for home non-school use. We will also share the link for the sponsors curatorial for the benefit of all participants during every session. You can download it at your convenience. At the end of every learning session, there will be a quiz. Please leave the Zoom platform after formal closure of the learning session and reuse the same link shared for the session to enter your credentials in the login page. Student participants are not entitled to participate in the principal quiz section, but there will be a separate login ID, and the process will be same, but this will happen from next Saturday onwards. So that is a good news. Thank you, Mr. President. I think all the students would thank you for your approach towards sharing knowledge. Participants can attend the quiz as per his/her choice of slot already communicated by you to IPA. You are eligible to attend the quiz either on Saturday or on Sunday, the day you attend the session, not on both the days. Next slide. Once you log in on the selected day, the quiz link will be open only for 25 minutes. From the time of announcement made at the end of every session, you are requested to log in immediately after the session. You will have 20 minutes to answer the questions. Your time starts from the moment you arrive at questions page. There are 20 questions and all questions are multiple choice. All questions are compulsory. All questions carry equal marks. Please select your choice of answer. You can submit your answers even after 20 minutes time limit, but you will not be eligible for prize money. Next slide. Next slide, please.
This is the next one.
Yeah, the winners will be shortlisted in the following order of evaluation: number of answers that are correct, shortest duration of answering. In case of a draw, it will be decided through a draw of lots shortlisting by the computer. The winner of the quiz will take home 5,000. 5 winners for 5 Saturdays, 5 winners for 5 Sundays, 6 sessions, in all 60 winners. The evaluation of IPPL expert team is final and the participants will have to abide by their decision. Organizers are not responsible or liable for the poor network's sudden login, logout of system error and other technical glitches. There is only one opportunity to attempt the quiz session. Results and details of the winners will be announced in the next session. Session and the schedule. So session 1, which is there today, 26 September from 6 to 9. Same session will be repeated on 27 September from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Session 2 will be on 3rd October and on 4th October. It is on fixtures, valves and appetances and hot water system. Session 3 is on 10th and 11th of October. Wastewater treatment plants and sewage treatment plants and Water Efficient Products India Guide, which will be again in the same sessions. Session 4, which is on 31st October, which is Saturday, and 1st November Sunday, which is on stormwater drainage, rainwater harvesting, and terminologies in plumbing. Session 5, 7th and 8th November, codes and standards, sanitary drainage system, indirect waste. Session 6, 21st and 22nd November, challenges in execution. Next slide, please. The winners will get the cash rewards and the trophies as you see, the gold, silver and bronze. So the winner gets 1,25,000, the first runner up 1 lakh, and the second runner up 75,000. Can we go to the next slide?
This is the last slide, sir.
Okay.
It's time for us to take some questions.
Just a second. On this occasion, I would like to thank my IPA team that worked with me to galvanize and prepare for this marathon or league, as you say. I would like to thank all chapters, Mr. Minesh Shah, Mr. Prasanna Kumar, Mr. Sahil Kansal, Mr. Abbas Lahiri, Mr. Manikam, Mr. M.K. Gupta, Mr. Ashok Joshi, Mr. Sanjay Bhilare, Mr. Sapan Shah, Mr. Purushottam Pandya, Mr. Ananta Siva, Mr. Kiran Vinayak Joshi, Mr. Abhay Pasari, Mr. Sandeep Mendiratta, Mr. Shankar Ghime, Mr. Milind Shete, Mr. Hiten Sethi, Mr. Sanjeev Rungta, Mr. Rajesh Dabuwala, Mr. Reni, Mr. Jayesh Shah, Mr. Vidyasagar. I thank you all, and also the respective chapter executives for putting in all this hard work to propagate and galvanize participation for IPPL. The technical committee led by our Vice President, Mr. B.S.A. Narayan, and respective team members in the technical committee, thank you for reorienting the study materials for an online IPPL, a virtual IPPL. I would like to thank Mr. Prasanna Kumar for taking the lead in collating all the Q&A and giving the participants a taste of excitement in plumbing knowledge sharing. I would also like to thank our HQ team for supporting the entire back-end operations. Mr. Bhima Rao, Mr. Sushant Sinha, Ms. Nivedita, Ms. Pratibha, Mr. Yogendra, Mr. Dipankar, and Ms. Jyoti. All our sponsors, a big thank you. With you, participants from 95 cities of India would never have been able to have a plumbing connect. Thank you again. My dearest IPPL committee members, Mr. Sharad Rao, Mr. Prasanna Kumar, Mr. Rahul Dhadfade, Mr. Nilesh Gandhi, and Mr. Abbas Lahiri, appreciate your undaunted efforts in making IPPL what it is today. Finally, thank you, Mr. President Gurmeet Singh and Mr. Secretary Chandrasekhar Gupta for bailing us out of every choke situation. I am using the plumbing technology of choke because there have been really situations where you helped us out, motivating us and salvaging and making IPPL even bigger during the most unfortunate of circumstances for all of us. I am sure I am going to lose my memory and thanking so many people, but if I have missed anybody, I would like to express my gratitude towards your efforts in helping in IPPL. Now I request all the renowned plumbing experts to please join the IPPL knowledge relay for the next 2 months. All the gurus of plumbing, now it's in all your hands. I wish you all participants a fruitful learning journey with IPPL, the Indian Plumbing Professional League. Thank you.
So with this, we now open the Q&A for IPPL 2020. So I would like to bring some interesting questions that are there in the Q&A box to you, sir. So the first question is from Kranti. She says, sir, I have registered as a student as well by paying 4130 rupees with same mail ID and phone number. So will there be a problem in participating in the quiz?
No, if she has paid the full amount, she will be able to participate in the quiz. She will also get at the end of this, the Indian Plumbing Professional membership as well.
Yes. So there's another question
Mr.
from
Gurmeet Singh wants to respond over here. Can you unmute Mr. Gurmeet Singh?
Praveen, students will get the professional student membership.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I missed out.
Yeah. Sorry, I interrupted. Carry on.
Nivedita,
there's another question from Sudhir Gupta. He says it would be better if you give flexibility to the participant to take session on Saturday or Sunday if he misses his allotted day because of some unavoidable reason.
In case there is such a situation and it arises, you need to inform at least 2 days in advance that you want to participate on a Sunday. We have shared a WhatsApp number. You have to WhatsApp on that number and we will surely try to help you. So let us make it a rule that by Wednesday, if you inform us, we shall take care of it.
There's another
Because
question.
people need to plan. We have to create the software backend for the participation in the quiz after it. So that becomes a challenge for everybody, and then there will be inconvenience at the participants' end as well.
There's another question from Shiva Krishna. He says, can I attend the quiz tomorrow?
I did not get, I mean,
That means the person is attending the session today and he's asking, can I attend the quiz tomorrow?
I think that will be difficult because there is a login ID and password which has been sent to him for today's session. So he has to attend today.
And Praveen, you come to know the answers also.
No, sir. This is all because it is an automated system. So there no questions will be repeated.
I know.
There's another question from Gaurav Goel, which states that from where do we have to select that on which day I would like to participate in the quiz?
In the form their choice has been given. In case you have not done, please share with the WhatsApp number, whatever, or with the email ID, whatever selection you have. If you have not given, we will configure it accordingly.
There's another question which says, during the registration of IPPL, I haven't got the option of selection of a particular quiz day, but I want to opt for Sunday only for the quiz. So like you said, he can give the suggestion on the email ID and we'll record it for that.
Yeah. But he will have to attend the session on Sunday only.
Yes.
He cannot attend the session on Saturday and give the quiz on Sunday.
Right. So there is a huge participation from the students, and a number of questions have also been pouring in from the students. So another question that I would like to take is, many people that I know have not yet received the joining link or the password. So what would we like to say for it? So
we have sent everybody on email. Probably in their spam box they should find this. If they are not able to, please write an email immediately. Please send on the WhatsApp number. Nivedita, if you have the WhatsApp number, you can, or I will give
put it in the chat box.
You put it in the chat box. That will be helpful.
In a few minutes, I'll put it in the chat.
Yeah.
So mostly the questions from people are regarding the quiz and how do they get to attend the quiz on Saturday or Sunday. So is there, another question says, is there any procedure of depositing the rest of the amount for getting the membership at the earliest and not wait for the event to get over?
Yes, you are welcome to do that. You have been given an email ID to connect. Please share all your details. They will send you, send a mail to them. They will do the necessary procedure and help you and assist you in this.
I think we've tried to answer most of the queries by and large. So we can close the Q&A, and you can definitely, most
There's
of
a
the...
WhatsApp number also given on the chat.
Sorry, sir?
There's a
As I
WhatsApp
see-
number given by BO Prasanna.
Yes, sir. As I see in the Q&A also, most of the queries have been answered by our people, but we have tried to discuss them for the benefit of all.
And in case people, you have any challenges, you have any issues, we are here to help you. Another issue I want to take up, Nivedita.
Yes.
I know I'm exceeding my time limit. Just give me 1 minute. Session 6 is about, I had missed earlier to mention, session 6 is about challenges while executing. So this will be sort of an open-ended session. We want participants to raise questions of the challenges that they have faced. We would have industry participation in terms of trying to resolve and understand. So please start sending your questions on the email ID given to you, and we will create a folder of all the questions and try to answer maximum, collate them, and give you solutions for your practical problems, because this is what we want to connect education with the field.
But they should be given in advance so that we can
that is in
attend
advance.
to them correctly.
Yeah.
So I hope through this Q&A, most of you all, your questions have been answered, but still we will be sending you the do's and don'ts and the terms and conditions of IPPL through email. Most of you must have received it. If you have not received it, we'll resend it to you. So that's it for the Q&A thing. So I would now like to take the honor to invite our Honorable National Treasurer, Mr. Vinay Gupta, for giving the vote of thanks. So just give me a minute.
Thank you, Nivedita.
Yes, sir. Sir, you will have to give me 2 minutes to introduce you to the participants, because they would not be aware about you. So Mr. Vinay Gupta is the National Treasurer of Indian Plumbing Association and a founding member of IPA. He is the Managing Director of Bathline India Private Limited. Mr. Vinay Gupta is a technocrat from IIT Delhi and has been manufacturing premium range of tapware in Delhi since the last 35 years. He commenced the first ever production of single level mixers with ceramic cartridges in the year 1986 in India and has the distinction of manufacturing them in India and exporting back to Germany. He is also one of the largest exporters of bathtubs in India.
Thank you, Nivedita.
Over to
and
you, sir.
Good evening to everyone. Praveen has made my job much simpler. He's already thanked most of the people who has been helping in the IPPL. Anyways, I respected National President, Mr. Gurmeet Singh, our Honorary Secretary, C.S. Gupta, Praveen Bora, our Honorable NEP members, NEC members, and our most valued invited guests today. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. Thank you, Gurmeet, for giving a wonderful, motivating speech and giving us the inputs and the details of IPA. And so is C.S. Gupta has made us run through from 93 onwards till today. I, on behalf of Indian Plumbing Association family, the entire team of experts, colleagues, chapter and staff involved in the Indian Plumbing Professional League, the 2020, the virtual edition, let me call it the fraternity of plumbing here together. And on my behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all of your generous support, guidance, and important work. Our experts, my friends, have decades of experience, not years in plumbing. All the experts that we have really have put in years of work in the plumbing trade. And in their career, they have come across many plumbing issues which have no solutions in textbooks, but they have given solutions with their practical knowledge and experience. And that is what you would be able to get from them in the technical sessions too. It's really a lifetime opportunity for all your participants. We always say, hunar hai to qadar hai. So that is what you will be able to get from the friends, from the experts. I also wish to express my gratitude towards all our sponsors, partners who have supported our endeavor. We have platinum sponsors, Astral Pipes, Phenolics Pipes, Holiat India, Kirloskar Pumps, Willow Pumps. We have gold sponsors, Scale Water Management Solutions, Franklin Pluga Pumps, Kimpless Piping Systems, Perfect Walls. We have knowledge partners, IPMO India. We have sporting organizations whom we would like to thank, KEDAI, NEREDCO, CII, IGBAC, Indian Institute of Interior Designers, Fire and Security Association of India. I must also mention a deep sense of appreciation for all chapter teams and special mention for the chapters who have really done an outstanding job, like Hyderabad, Pune, Computer, and obviously every chapter has worked. And Praveen has already mentioned each and every chapter chairman name, and who has been a great help and great motivation for all. Also, my special thanks to, I think I must thank Praveen Bora and his Manisha, Sandeep Rahul, and CS Gupta and GFs. I have seen tremendous efforts from them. And as CSG would always had to say, मंजिलें भी जिद्दी हैं, रास्ते भी जिद्दी हैं, देखना है कल तो क्या हो, हौसले भी हमारे जिद्दी हैं. So that has been what CS Gupta has been saying. Whatever be the problems, what he said, Parveen, that choking, at that Mr. CS Gupta used to very well motivate everyone every day. Don't worry, we are there and it'll be through. And he's seen to it that it's gone through. This will. I also want to tell every participant that this will be an excellent platform for knowledge sharing and learning directly from industry experts. And we look forward to your interactions and excitement in the coming weeks. And your connect to the IPA would be a great help to you for your future career in plumbing. So you will always be, all our experts and all the members would always be available to you for a very good handholding at any given time, at any time. IPA works 24/7 with all its members. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. We look forward to a very successful and excellent edition of IPPL 2020. Thanks once again, and thanks everyone for the excellent effort. Thank you everyone.
Thanks for the great words, sir.